this time. I need you to be on my side. Be with me every second of the ride. I need to wake up right here with you. I want you to feel that you care for